Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Salesforce with Postman. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, here we are going to see this article in of Postman to see how exactly we can connect them. So basically, make sure to have already uh, Postman account and also Salesforce organization. And now you will need just to go to your Postman account here and go to collections. So you can find collections here by going to the search bar, collections, and search for Salesforce. So from here we will find many APIs for our Salesforce. So here you can find, as you can see, we can fork the Salesforce collection. So we choose this collection and we will need just fork it. So basically, I'm just going to click on fork and click on create fork. And now we are having a fork for our workspace. We can name it Salesforce is SF force. And basically, we need to have already our workspace. So I'm just going to fork the collection. And now we can go to our workspace, and basically now we need just to choose from the authorization tab, and from here in authorization we need just to type or to choose auth to O. And from here we will be able to start connecting, get new access token, and it will take you to the login of Salesforce. You will need to add your username, password, login, and you will need just to give the access. So here it will give you allow access. You click on allow and a success message will appear, and now you can start querying from this address. So basically, this is how you can connect Salesforce to your Postman. Thank you for watching and see you next time.